So far, we've been using if statements to check kind of one condition. For example, if I had a variable x and I had a variable y, we might have wrote a if statement to check if x is equal to y. And we would have went from there. This is checking one condition. I can check multiple conditions within the same if statement. So for example, let's say I have a name and I have an ID. I'm creating some type of login system for some company. And when the user tries to log in, they are going to give me a name and they're going to give me an ID. And of course, I only want them to be able to log in if what they're giving me matches what we have on file, not just for the name, but their ID matches my ID on file as well. So what I could do is I could say, well, the name we have on file must be equal to the name they're giving me, but that's not good enough. I also need their inputs, the ID, to be equal to the input ID that they're giving me. So what I'm doing is I'm not just checking one condition. I need this to be true, and I need a second condition to be true. So this little double ampersand, this little double shift 7 on your keyboard means and. So we don't just need one condition to be true, we need a second condition to be true as well. If both of these are true, then any code we write in here will happen. Now, just on the topic while we're here, plug my laptop in. You can have ands, or sometimes you might have or. So or means this could be true, or this could be true. So as long as one or the other are true, any code we write in here will happen. Now, I don't even know what this symbol is called. All that I know is that it's a shift backslash on your keyboard there, right above the enter key. So you can have multiple conditions where you need one of them to be true, at least one of them, or you can have multiple conditions where you need both conditions to be true. And this works really well with like a username and password situation, right? We need the name to match and we need the password to match.